Good morning children. Today we will have to solve our exercise and check your progress. Problem number 6. Here you have to given a problem. Ayush bought a laptop for rupees 41,220 and sold it to Sahil at 10% profit. Sahil sold it to Rahul at 14% loss. Find the cost price of the laptop for Rahul. So first of all, you see here on the board. First of all, we have to write Ayush bought laptop for rupees 41,220 and sold it to Sahil at 10%. Then profit, you know profit is equal to CP upon 100. CP at 10%, then CP into 10 upon 100. Okay. So from here 0000 cancel. Now we get 4,122 rupees. Okay. Again here given that in the question that Sahil sold it to Rahul also at 14% loss. Then again now Sahil bought it for rupees 41,220 plus 4,122. Then CP became 45,342 rupees. Okay. Again Sahil sold it to Rahul it at 14%. Then we have to also find out 14% at this price. At this price we have to also find 14%. Since 45,342 into 14 upon 100 is equal to 453.42 into 14 is equal to 6347 or 6,347.88 rupees. Okay. Then CP for the Rahul is equal to 45,342 minus 6,347.88. Then if we subtract this numeral from this numeral, then we get this. So this is our answer. Okay. Now again we have to solve our question. Question number 7. We raise this and also we solve our question number 7. Okay. Here you have given in this question Resma purchased a horse for rupees 25,000 and spent rupees 1,600 per month on it. She sold this horse after 4 months for 28,300 rupees. What profits or loss percent did Resma bear? So here first of all you have given that the cost price 25,000, but here also Resma expense 1,600 per month on the horse. Okay. So first of all here given that CP is equal to given that 25,000 rupees. Okay. Here you have given CP 25,000 rupees and now also again Resma is spent rupees 1,600 per month on the horse. So on it, and she sold this horse after 4 months for rupees 28,300. So also we expensed 1,600 after 4 months, then 4 times. Then 4 into 1,600 rupees till 4 months. Then we get from here 4 0 is 0, 4 0 is 0, 4 6 is 24, 4 2, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 6. 6,000 6,400 rupees. Because here we can write that Resma also spent 1,600 rupees till 4 months on the horse. Okay, you have to return this in the question. Okay, then 4 into 1,600 rupees Resma also spent on the horse till 4 months. Then the CP became is equal to 25,000 plus 6,400 rupees. Okay, we also add this, then we get 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 4 4, then 5 6 11 1 1 1 2 3. Okay, 31,400 rupees. Here this became CP. On the horse. Again here see you that here is written, she sold this horse after 4 months for rupees 28,300. So here selling price also given you. SP is equal to given that 28,300 rupees. Okay, then in this question you have to ask what profit or loss percent did Resma bear. So here you can see that here also in this question loss, because SP is less than the CP. Okay, and when selling price is less than the cost price, then your loss. Okay, then your loss is equal to CP minus SP. This is the formula for loss. Then CP given that here 31,400 minus SP also given that here 28,300 rupees. Okay, so here you get from here 0 0 4 3 1, and also here 11 minus 8, because we carry 1 from here, then it became 11 minus 8 is equal to 3, and here remain 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we have 3,100 loss. Okay, we get loss 3,100. Now again we have to find out the loss percent of this amount at this amount. Okay, so for the loss percent we raise some, and also then here loss percent is equal to, you know that loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. This formula, by this formula. Okay, by this formula we gain here you have given loss 3,100, then 3,100 upon CP is equal to 31,400 into 100. We put our numerals on the formula, then we get 0 0 0 0 already cancelled, and here remain 3100 upon 314. We divide by 2, then we get 2 ones are 2, here remain 1, 1 1 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 4 14, 2 7s are 14. Okay, here 2 ones are 2, 1 1 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10, and 2 zeros are 0. Okay, then we get from here 15 50 upon, this is in percent, 1550 upon 157. Okay, by dividing this we get 9.87%. 9.87%. This is our answer. Okay, again we have to solve. Here given that a fruit vendor bought 10 kilogram of mangoes for rupees 350. He sold them at rupees 42 per kilogram. How much profit did he make? Did he make for 1 kilogram of mangoes? So first of all, you have to find out the price of the mangoes per kilogram. Okay, because here you have given that the bought 10 kilogram of mangoes for rupees 350. Then you have to written here question number 8, problem number 8. Here the cost price of per kilogram mangoes is equal to 350 upon 10. Then you gain CP is equal to 35 rupees per kilogram per kg. Okay, and here you have also given that he sold them at rupees 42 per kilogram. Then selling price SP is given that SP is equal to 42 rupees per kilogram. Okay, again how much profit did he make for 1 kilogram mangoes? So the profit, you know also that profit is equal to CP SP minus CP, SP minus CP. So here you gain profit is equal to 42 minus 35 rupees. Okay, per kilogram. So your profit is also became 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, and here 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, then 7 rupees. This is your answer. Okay, and again we have to solve our question number 9. We raise this and again we solve our question number 9. Here question number 9 given that a bookseller buys books at rupees 45 each and sells them at rupees 63 each. Find his profit percent on each book. So here you see question number 9, this problem, buy books at rupees 45 each, then the price of the each book is equal to 45, and also cost price is equal to given that 45 rupees, and the SP selling price also given that 63 rupees per book. Okay, then find his profit percent on each book. So if we have to find our profit percent on each book, then first of all we have to find our profit on that thing or on that object. Okay, so first of all here 3 is less than 5, so B can carry 1 from here and it became 13. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, and also here remain 5. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Then 18 rupees our profit. Now we have find out our profit percent. Then profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Then 18 upon CP 45 into 100. Okay. So from here we know 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, and 5 2s are 10, 5 0s are 0. Then 2 into 20. Then 22s are 40. Then 40% profit. This is our answer. And now this exercise we finished. Today time is over, and again we solve our next exercise, average, and also all of you have to learn your formula of next chapter, average, and we start it next day. Okay, we stop here writing. Thank you children. Thank you.